Hello everyone, welcome you all. In this session, we are going to see the important topics to revise with respect to Indian polity. For targeting the UPSC Prelims 2021, let us start the discussion with the heading called Parliament, State Legislature, Union Territories and Local Self-Government. In these headings, these topics are very important. Kindly remember those topics and also kindly go through all the important points related to these topics. No confident motion. If you take no confident motion, then you should read about the constitutional provisions and what is the procedure to move in no confident motion and what are the conditions related to the no confident motion. So these are the things one has to read about no confident motion, about anti-defection law for nominated MPs, and then judicial review cannot be available prior to the speaker decision, and about appropriation bill, finance bill, supplementary demands for grants and termination of session. So these are the important topics. Kindly go through. And I am moving with the next heading called executive. So this is the important topic. So kindly go through everything. So these and all very important current affairs topic related to UPSC prelims. One is chief minister and power, and then strength of the state legislative assembly, and then lieutenant government governor of Puducherry, and then pardoning powers of president, doctrine of separation of powers, and then office of profit. So these are the topics frequently appears in the newspaper. So kindly go through those topics. And then with respect to the constitutional, non-constitutional, statutory, regulatory, various quasi-judicial bodies. So these are the topics are very important. So kindly go through state election commissioners and the Jammu and Kashmir Delimitation Commission, a Nation Commission for SCs and STs also, and then Lok Sabha, Attorney General and CBI and Central Vigilance Commission. And this is very important, Competitive Commission of India, and then National Human Rights Commission, and then District Development Council related to the Jammu and Kashmir, and then NIA, National Investigation Agency. One has to go through this. If any aspirant wish to discuss each and every topics detailedly, kindly show your interest in the comment section so that we will try to cover all the topics briefly in the upcoming session only if the aspirant shows the interest in the comment section, or else if you want to discuss in our telegram group, so kindly join using the link provided here. So with this I am moving with judiciary. So these are the list of the topics one has to go through related to the judiciary. Contempt of court, habeas query, chief justice of India, retired judges, judicial review, and then Lok Adalt and Nalsa. So these topics are very hot topics related to the current affairs. Kindly go through these topics. Public interest litigation, and then Keshavananda Bharati case. That is also very important. So why it is important? Those things, if you read the paper regularly, then you would have come to know why these topics are very important. And then what is Article 142? And then death penalty sentence in the trial code. So these are the important topics related to the judiciary. And then with respect to center and state relation, these two topics are very important. President rule. Can state refuse to implement central laws? These are the hot topics. And then interstate relation, that is inter-river water dispute. So one has to go through the electoral issues and electoral reforms. That is also very important current affairs topic. Electoral bond and nota, and then postal ballot, mode of code of conduct. So these and all very important topics. Star campaigner, one nation, one election. So those are very important topics. Kindly go through about VVPAT and how election commission decides on party symbol, etc. Since the recently 5 states faced the election. So go through these things. This is very important topics. Let us move on with the citizenship. See, one has to go through NRC and CAA. So these are the odd topics. And then NPR, it is National People Registration. That is also very important. And then about OCI. So this is related to the citizenship. And then important statutory constitutional provisions. So these are the list one has to go through about constitutional provisions and relating to the statutory provisions also. right to counsel in custody, freedom of religion, and then Jammu and Kashmir internet ban and plea bargaining, defamation, about Article 32 of the Constitution, about 7th schedule, and then Supreme Court directive on quota in promotions, uniform civil code. These are the hot topics present in the newspaper. So kindly go through these topics with respect to the polity. And then important acts and bills. These are the important acts and bills with respect to the polity. That is Official Secret Act, National Security Act, Right to Education, and Roshni Act also very important. So kindly go through, and then Right to Information Act, and then their amendments, and Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi. So this is very important act. See, I'm giving you the part one, and then part two we will cover all the remaining we have left out here. So and then other important topics are this. So kindly remember those things also. Special frontier force, enemy property, very hot topic. Kindly go through that, and then entire parliamentary union. So that is also very important, and then inner line permit, and then central deputation of IAS, IPS officers. So kindly go through these hot topics with respect to the UPSC prelims 2021. So let us meet in the next class with the part 2. Thank you all. Have a good day.